Welcome back to DABULA TV. We're still here, celebration day, the day that Prof gives back to the community. Nami ngizabe ngikhona, even though ngeke ngiappear most of the time, ngizabe ngikhona. Prof, nayo into engihluphayo. Every time, not every time, most of the time, khona enye indawo ngiyayidlula. Iskhova sihlala lapho. Ne? Even if sometimes it's like in the early hours, about 3, it's cold. But I'm the only one who sees that thing. When I ask the people, hey man, how often they don't see Lentole. But when I see Lentole, I'm too. I feel like it's excited to see me. So normally we associate this cover with bad luck, and I know what of course, you use it, sometimes you can use it for good, sometimes for bad. So I also get questions with, okay, Iskhova 7 in as far as Ubunya is concerned or Tarat is concerned. So today I want us to address that issue with Amanda Iskhova, our MAPI, and then what do they use it for? Are there any dangers? Can you lendole and so forth?
Ngiyabonga PROF and also thanks bathandi nabalandeli ba DABULA TV. Isisesekhona la sila enkangala akujiki bafowethu sohlala la kuze kuyovala. PROF into what I want to say noma into ngifuna ukuyikhulumisa PROF ukuthi singabantu siphila la kulomhlaba, siphila emhlabeni wenzondo, siphila emhlabeni wenhlupheko. So what we do, siyenza izinto zokuthi silingane amandla singabantu, even siyinyanga sitestane amandla. How sitestana amandla? Kunomuntu othi ngifuna ukuthakatha uKB, ngamenzani ithi ngimthumele ngeSkhova. Iskhova siphile ebusuku, Iskhova sakhelwanga ukuthi siphile emakhaya noma siyakhelwe ukuhlala edrobheni or la usithole ePolini khona. Siyahlola. Yes. You understand? Siyahlola sisuke sithunyelwe vele. Iskhova sikuthakathwa ngaso. AkunaSkhova sokuthi siyakha inhlanhla, akunaSkhova sokuthi sithi singena enhlanhleni, Iskhova sokuloya. If ubona Iskhova sihlala emakhaya noma sihlala kuphi sokuloya, wazi ukuthi umamtshitshi sofikile emzinini uzoganga. Iskhova if isimile you won't sleep PROF. If Iskhova simile ngoma bangathi ulala buphi ubuthongo, you won't manage.
Is it?
You never. I swear on my father's grave.
Like so, but what?
Yeah, they send it because of isithunyelwa kanjani. Ungathi uthulele PROF. Uzizwe sithi qala ukuphupha kabi. Qala ukuphupha kabi. Qala uyangizwisisa uzuswede self ulele empedini. Siyakucindezela Iskhova. Iskhova sikajika bathume Iskhova uthi papa soqala ubona izipoko manje ubona izinto is dangerous Iskhova. Iskhova uNkulunkulu noma asakha ezilwaneni zonke wasiyakha ukuthi into ehlala ehlathini. So if you are going to the bushes middle of the night sizoqala sikudisturb because siyakwazi wakha into yenzeke. That's why Iskhova manje silele. You won't find it in me. Mhlolo futhi asiboni manje. Only at night. You understand? So into eyakhelwe le esigangeni.
So what does it do? Does it make things yenza ukuthi into embezi yenzeke? What does it do? Ihlola ububi what?
Kakhulu ihlola izinto eziphi. You can do an accident because of Iskhova. Ngayenza accident because of ini Iskhova. Iskhova ngagicika ngemoto usuhamba endleleni sifika Iskhova sithi la windscreen ngeke uphonye isikhulu phela Iskhova sisincane. You can see it masihlele udayile ntukunyanya. No, uthola Iskhova basishayisile. You see what this thing is big and it's ugly. Mthakathi qobo lwakhe. So Iskhova asina ukuthi sithi athi mina ngithwele umuntu ngithwele ngeSkhova kuzothi lo uthwele ubuthakathi. AkunaSkhova esenza ubuhle, Iskhova sokudestroya impilo zabantu.
Manje if people find Iskhova in lane or people have those things, what am I supposed to do? So immediately there's no way then, because I've heard sometimes Iskhova letter message yokufa ukuthi khona umuntu ufile or uzofa.
Cha ikhona inyoni eyenza lokho.
Okay.
Not Iskhova.
Okay.
Iskhova silethi Iskhova mawusithola endlini sithunyela. Even if umuntu angashona like ubulawe ngilesikhova basithumela ukuthi sizo destroy.
Yeah.
That's why kubalekile mangisithola mina Iskhova sishayekile ngiyasithatha. If you can ask me ukuthi why ngisithatha Prof Iskhova, why uthatha Iskhova? Ngisithathela ukuthi ngizosigaya. Ngimixe lemithi ukuthi mangiyobethela ekhaya lakho mabathumela Iskhova singakwazi ukungena. Ngoba Iskhova sikabi brakepi ngendlela ecake ukuthi you will suffer for decade ngento ongayazi kanti ngihlushwa Iskhova. Kunokuthi nithi niyabethela la ekhaya kungalungi la ekhaya mara so lesikhali Iskhova. So which is ithambo lakhona likho. So if ngizothatha ithambo lesikhova ngiligaye nemithi engibethela ngayo mangizofika ngimoro nebaso ngizoshisa ngayo mangifika ngishisa noma ngihlanyela le khonkwanza la ekhaya masiqhamuka sifuna ukuhlala sithi ngila emgodini wami kusungumuzo siyahamba siya phambili.
So what would you advise someone to do asibulala hamba immediately, because sometimes you might see it and then say okay ngizobona uprof ngoSaturday? Is it urgent ukuthi uhambe
impela wasibona sihlele ekhaya buya sizoconsult kufana nomuntu ofuya Iskhova undoda oromfata akekho safe emphakathini ungumbulali noma ungikhohlisa Iskhova isilwane lesakhelwa ngihlala ekhaya.
Okay, all right, ngizwele ke nawe puthe umbuzo lo mbuzo. Iskhova apparently is not, there's nothing good about it. And as soon as you see it in Lini, you must consult. It's not necessarily Prof, but you must get help as soon as possible because you might be next.
Njani.
Siyabonga Prof.
Thank you for it.